Hey, Lindsay, would you rather do Q1 hour neuro checks or Q1 hour blood sugar checks?
Oh, neuro checks.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, Ashley, would you rather perform a digital impaction on a patient and then run your fingers across your upper lip, or drink 5 mils of residuals directly from a peg tube?
5 mils of residuals. Hands down. Hands down. Would you rather pull off socks with a bunch of skin flakes or find a cheeseburger in a panis?
I'd rather, the skin flakes.
Yeah,
The skin
yeah. I
flakes.
think I'm skin flakes too.
Yeah. Hey, Ashley, would you rather smell C. diff or GI bleed for the whole shift?
GI bleed.
Ooh, really?
Yeah, probably. Yeah.
I'm nervous.
Okay, would you rather have a patient cough in your face or fart in your face?
Cough, but I hate both of them.
Really? See, I feel like I would do the farting because you're not going to get sick from them farting on your face. It's so gross, though.
That's true. Hey, Ashley, would you rather take a shit in a patient's commode privately or in the unit bathroom, but the door is open and everyone's watching?
Privately in a patient's commode. Hands down.